Well, we're about ready to start day 5, which today is just a driving day through the beautiful Smoky Mountains. But here we are in downtown Gatlinburg, getting ready to leave. So car's all packed up, kind of loaded down with moonshine, so I feel like a moonshine runner today, because we have probably about 15 bottles of it, because, well, I like moonshine. Well, we finally made it back onto the route. We're on the Foothills Parkway. We actually just saw another racer go by, so he must have did the same thing and stayed in Gatlinburg last night with us, or somewhere around there. It was a Camaro from Georgia. We're gonna have an awesome drive with all these fall colors. All right, so we had to kind of leave the car a little ways up the road, but look at this view. And the valley's just got this cloud trapped in it. So apparently today we're not starting out that far behind people at all, because we just ran into a couple of the gassers. Another dude just took off up the hill, so there's like 7 or 8 of us that are at least this far behind. However, we came here to look at this. Well, we're looking into the sun, so you can't get the greatest shot, but I came here and the camera just doesn't do it justice. We also got a couple more racers that just pulled up here. Here we are at checkpoint 5 for day 4, getting ready to head to the tail of the dragon. Actually, a ton of racers and Sick board members are still back as far as we are, so I thought we were far behind, but got the car looking good and we're ready to fly. Found another spot we thought we'd pull over and take another look. Racers cruising by, and a dude in a boat. But yeah, the fall colors are in full bloom. Got stunning views driving through these trees. The mountains off in the distance. tail of the dragon. We just saw a thing that says high crash area and 11 miles of winding turns. It's gonna be fun. Pulled over to stop with a scenic overlook. You can see the dam. For all that water at the bottom. Looks like we got a whole bunch of people out today. Well, we made it to the first checkpoint of the day. We're at the Dragon. The tree of shame. All the busted up motorcycle parts left on the side of the road. I'm really glad we're not hanging parts of my Firebird on this tree. A couple of those corners were a bit sketchy. Oh, these guys all made it through. They couldn't have been going too slow. I mean, we pulled over a couple times. To the second checkpoint for today. The views on this trip have been absolutely spectacular. Pretty sure this guy is pulling his airplane in a trailer or something. I've never seen a trailer like that. Actually, I think it's a glider, because that's like an airfield, but all of those are like non-powered planes with gliders. And there's a, yeah, pretty cool. So this popped up on the route today as an extra place to stop, and we had some smoked wings and they were delicious. It's a Steel Wheel Diner. Well, so we made it to Twin Peaks, which was the third official checkpoint. However, there's a pit party tonight at the racetrack, and instead of hanging out here, we're gonna go there and have some fun. Jimmy Dale has made it. Got some nighttime burnouts. So we're at the track the night before, and they finally got the party started with some burnouts going on. There's been a band down here for like an hour. Nobody was listening to them because we were all hanging out in the pits, watching Jimmy Dale work on the car up there.
That he just never did kind of thing.
Exhaust on that thing blowing underneath.
What an amazing job that was.